water in a paper cup. We use metallic vessels to boil water. But instead of those metallic vessels, we will try to use a sheet of paper, make a vessel of it and boil water in that. Let me take a sheet of paper. Any paper would do. A sheet of paper from a notebook or a cutout from a newspaper, any waste paper. Let it not be too thick. Don't take drawing sheets. I have taken a piece of paper. Let me fold the sides because we have to make it into a container. Yeah. Now you fold the sides. Let the sides go overlapping. On this side too I fold. And staple. With a little practice, you will be able to do very good paper cuts. Now only one corner is left out. Let me fold that too and get it stapled. Yeah. Here is the paper cup. Take a little amount of water in it. Don't allow the entire paper cup to become wet because it may get torn. I have taken a little amount of water. To its laboratory, you can use a spirit lamp. It won't emit any soot. But I use here what you easily get in your house, a candle. Allow the candle to burn properly. You should get a sufficiently long flame. Once it's ready, you can hold your paper cup with water over that. Hold it for about 30 seconds or at the most for 1 minute. The flame should be touching the bottom of the paper cup. Now you remove it, put your finger into water and just check. Yeah, it's hot. Water is hot. This experiment will turn to be a great success, no doubt about it. But I tell you not to perform the experiment without the supervision of your parents or some elders in the house. Because you use a flame here, don't do the experiment on your own. Have the help of an elder in the family. Now, the question is as to how we got water get hot. Paper usually catches fire. If I take a sheet of paper and hold it to the flame, instantaneously it will catch fire. But here it did not happen. The reason is that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Once the temperature of water is 100 degrees Celsius, water starts getting evaporated. It transforms into gas. But a paper will burn only when the temperature reaches 450 degrees Celsius. Below that, paper won't burn. So water what we have taken in the vessel will not allow paper to reach 450 degrees Celsius at all. At 100 degrees, water starts evaporating and paper will remain below the temperature at which it can catch fire. Do the experiment once or twice, you may fail even. Take elders' help, repeat. Science is experimentation, learning through experimentation, learning through innovation. Wish you all success.